stripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some.
Yo guys, before I get into the entire video, I just want to say I'm sorry for not posting a video recently. I think it's been about 4 weeks, so I apologize for not being that active on YouTube and also TikTok, to be fair, so that's my bad. But I'm definitely going to start getting more active again, and I'm going to try post a video every single week. But as for today's video, I'm going to be going to an Alpha Capital Group event. There's about 90 or so traders going, I think, so that's going to be pretty cool to see. It's going to be really good for networking, and I'm going to meet some cool people, so that's going to be really good. I'm going to document the entire journey today. And as for now, what I'm doing is always when I wake up on a Saturday, I kind of go over my trades from last week. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just, as you can see here, going over my trades and kind of just, you want to analyze your performance from the week before so you can kind of know if you did well or if you didn't and what you can work on. So I'm doing that now. I'm going to get ready, get changed, look fresh, and then I'm going to head over to London for the event. Just thought I would show you guys my pancakes, and look at this flip I done, yeah? Look at this, look. This was the first try. Look at this. Ready? Bosh. So after I finished those pancakes, what I did is I finished my journaling, and doing journaling is very important because you need to know if you're improving or not, and journaling is a very good way of doing so. So just getting ready now and about to head off to the event, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Now, since this whole event was actually in a Formula 1 arcade, everyone here was racing for funded accounts, and I was lucky enough to win a 100k account. So if you guys want a sort of YouTube series or TikTok series where I go and try and pass that account, let me know in the comments below. And guys, network is net worth. So on an event like this, it's very important to speak to as many people as you can, because these are all traders that are doing better than me. So having the chance to speak to them and find out more is amazing. And then me and the other influencers headed down to the tube. We had a bit of fun in the tube, as you'll see right here.
Please use other doors.
No, it's too slippery.
The next station is Monument. Change for the Central, Northern and Waterloo and City lines.
I always forget.
Look at this, man.
You guys see this food here, yeah? It was actually banging. I got a Wagyu steak, which was beautiful. But after this point, you know, we went out to London, we hit up a few more bars and restaurants, and after that we ended up going back to the hotel, having like a last little chat before everyone had to go back to their own places. But yeah, really good to meet all of these guys, because like I said, you know, these are traders that I've never met before. I've always knew of them, but I've never met them. So having the opportunity to chat to them in person is obviously amazing, and I'm very grateful for having this chance. So yeah, it was a great day out. Alright guys, so obviously I'm back home now, and this lighting is actually beautiful, bruv. But yeah, I'm back home now. The event was great, like I said. And what I want to do is, because the video is a bit short, I'm going to record all of my trades that I've taken this week, and I'm going to do the analysis of that in this next part of the video. I've actually done it already, and I've tried to send it onto my phone, but it hasn't worked. And I've literally been trying for like an hour. I've been so annoyed. I can't even stress how annoyed I've been. But I just don't have the patience anymore to keep trying. So I apologize for the quality being bad, but I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, guys. And if you do, make sure to drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and yeah. So this is the week. When did the week start? On Monday the 2nd of October. So I'll break down my positions I took this week. I took 2 positions. One was a loss and then one was a win, but it was more like a TP1 and then a break even, because there was news on Thursday. So I'll go over all of this now, but pretty good week. On Monday, as you can see here, typical demand setup, which I went for. We took out liquidity from Asian low, and then we came, which caused a big change of character. We came back into that demand, and when I went down to the 5 minute, I believe that's where I saw some confirmation. Also the 1 minute would have given me a change of character, which is where I would have entered. So you can see right here, got my nice reaction from this demand, waited for a retest, and I probably entered around here, right, targeting this buy side liquidity. Ended up failing, and the reason why it failed is because this is the importance of journaling. When I look back over this trade, I realized that if we go into like the 4 hourly, right, you'll see that, wait, where am I? You'll see that we are obviously very bearish, right? And I was buying fairly high up in the range. If anything, I should have probably waited for more of a pullback. I mean, we were in the equilibrium of this whole swing, so it did make sense. But if I was going to buy, maybe I should have waited for this sort of demand to be mitigated. Is what it is. You know, you don't win every trade. That's why I want to make clear to you guys, like, they were going to be losing trades just like this one here. And also, to be honest, I think the best setup was probably this short position, because what we can see here is we've got some sort of accumulation. So that's your accumulation. Here's your manipulation. And then here is your distribution to move lower. And that is what I should have caught. But I was just obviously used as liquidity in this example. And to be honest, I probably could have caught this sell here, but I just wasn't really focused on shorts for some reason. Is what it is. You don't win them all. Now, the rest of the week, I didn't actually take any trades. I didn't take any trades here because... Why didn't I take any trades here? I don't know. It just doesn't look good to me, probably. Wednesday, it looks like that could have been news at 8 maybe. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I didn't take any trades on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then come Thursday, I took a nice buy position. This was actually sent into the Discord as well. So anyone in the Discord would have caught the same move as me. Unfortunately, as you can see here, news stopped us out. But at this point, we would have been at break even. So it's not a big deal. And reason for this position. So tapped into this demand. And by the way, I'm listening to Drake's new album. So if you see me like, I don't know, that bobbing my head a bit, it's because I'm vibing to a song. But yeah, tapped into this demand, 15-minute demand, very nice demand. And at this point, this was a very strong position, because you can see here we're clearly bullish, right? On Wednesday, this was our reversal. So Wednesday reversed, caused a massive change of character here. So we're obviously bullish now. Calm down into this demand, see a nice reaction. Then I get my entry after seeing a 5-minute or 1-minute change of character. And obviously we're targeting all of this liquidity up here. However, what ended up happening is when I dropped down to the 5-minute, it'll be more clear. Yeah, this is a good song. When I dropped down to the 5-minute, I got my entry around here. It would have been a 1-minute change of character. So got my entry here, and then we're pushing higher, If it wasn't for news, no doubt about it, I would have hit TP here for a nice 1 to 4. Or 1 to 3. I think it was actually 1 to 4. I think my stop loss was a bit tighter, like that probably. But yeah, then obviously news came and stopped us out before taking out my TP, which is annoying, but it happens. At that point, what I did is I took about 50% off my position here before news, because I knew news was coming at 1:30, and then I moved to break even. So I was able to secure a little bit of profit, but not enough to make it that that noticeable. But it is what it is. On to next week, guys. And next week, what am I thinking for next week? To be honest, I haven't had a look at the bigger picture, to be honest. I normally do we do weekly analysis on the Discord. So normally if I'm going to do weekly analysis, I'll wait for a Sunday to do it. But we're looking pretty bullish now, to be fair. It makes sense that we're looking bullish now, because we've obviously seen such a big retracement here on GU. We need to see some sort of I mean, not retracement. We've seen such a bearish move. We need to see some sort of retracement to at least like make sense to fill up some of the fair value gaps that have been left here on the daily. For example, we've got one there, one here as well. So we've got gaps here, and it makes sense to possibly, I don't know, push into this supply maybe before going back down. So that's pretty much my trading week. You know, you don't win every week. That was still a break-even week, because obviously I had a loss here, but then I would have made it back with that TP here. So it was pretty much a break-even week, nothing special. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video, because that's pretty much me done. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And yeah.